What's up, guys? It's Dr. Steve, master of the subconscious mind and doctor who fixes 100% of orthopedic issues not related to cancer, fracture, or infection. And everybody knows, for the most part, that I used to be a competitive bodybuilder. Kind of don't really feel like competing anymore. I'd rather spend my time traveling and enjoying life instead of so stringent, but I still live pretty much the bodybuilding lifestyle where I eat. It's fairly healthy eating 6 meals a day, drinking enough water, getting the exercise that we need um, to create longevity, right? So the benefits we get from exercise are exponential. It controls blood sugar, balances hormones, helps our body make antioxidants, so we can prevent that oxidative damage that occurs. It forces your body to make the antioxidants. So it's part of your staying healthy is making sure that you exercise and get activity. But after I'm done working out, I typically want to refuel myself. And what I'm always going to do is have a meal 20-30 minutes after I work out. The reason I wait a little bit in 20-30 minutes is that I want all those catabolic hormones to pick up. I want these hormetic effects to kick in from the exercise, and my body to be under a little bit of stress so that I absorb the nutrients better. And so I typically will have a protein shake comprised of whey protein without fillers or additives. I just sweeten with stevia and cocoa. And I also then have a banana. And, the reason I picked a banana is because it has about 30 grams of carbs. I track my nutrients. I know exactly how many carbs and fats and proteins I'm typically taking in. But the reason I picked the banana is because there's so many health benefits to it. Instead of using some sort of post-workout supplement that has a bunch of junk in it, right? I'd rather eat real food. So whey protein is real food, and so is a banana. And the banana has about 30 grams of carbs, so I know what's in there, and I'm going to get the sugar I need to help refuel the glycogen stores that were depleted while I was working out. And there's a lot of other things that are in bananas too that are going to benefit you if you could decide to choose a banana. It contains vitamin C, right? Vitamin C is an antioxidant, and we need enough antioxidants to combat all the free radicals that are produced, right? Our body cells age, they get oxidation. We need to repair them. Antioxidants lower the inflammation and the oxidative response. It contains folate and niacin, and those B vitamins are necessary to help through methylation. It's these enzyme processes that we go through to help make the antioxidants to combat the oxidative stress, to prevent the cellular aging and have the cell live a longer lifespan. It contains copper, potassium, and magnesium, and those minerals are there to balance out blood sugar. They assist in water metabolism. They assist with blood pressure, right? So, it can lower blood pressure. The pectin in it helps lower blood pressure. And if we do that, we put less stress on the kidneys. So people who have kidney issues, bananas might be a really good thing to have just because of the potassium and the pectin that's in the banana. There's also fiber and prebiotics that are in it, right? And prebiotics are there to feed the healthy bacteria, so you'll have a healthier digestive tract. You will absorb more nutrients. Bacteria help break down our food. They're necessary. Not all bacteria is bad. So we want to be able to feed that, right? The fiber slows the sugar absorption, so you don't get these huge spikes in blood glucose. So typically, unless you're really diabetic, a banana that's not too ripe will actually be very beneficial to you and have a lot of health benefits. Not all sugar is bad. And a little tip too, if you have diabetes, the best time to have your carbohydrates is after you work out because you increase GLUT4 reception. You don't even need glucose to absorb sugar. It's not necessary to drive it into the cells. Your cells are craving it because you increase those GLUT4 receptors in the muscle tissue. So that's why I'm a big fan of the banana, right? And the other thing too with that pectin, you got to remember, not only will that help with blood sugar and that, but it's also going to lower cholesterol. So if you have high cholesterol, the pectin that's in the banana will be beneficial. So, and this is kind of funny. I always used to peel it from the end that was on the vine. And if you watch monkeys, a friend of mine taught this to me, thanks Victor, if you peel it from the other end, it actually peels apart a lot easier. So, don't be smarter than a monkey. You don't have to work so hard to peel your banana and break it all apart and smash the end. You just pull it from the other end, not the side that was on the vine. So remember, if your banana is not peeling well, you don't have to take it to the doctor.